Imagine having a view like this just steps away from your home here in St. Johns County. Well, it's possible and you don't have to maintain it. Let's go see the home. This is the Vilano model here in Trailmark that has 3 available homes just like this one. So let's go check out the floor plan, the upgrades that they have, and I'm also gonna tell you what is actually included with these 3 that are currently available at killer prices. And I'll show you what can be upgraded if you're looking to possibly build a Vilano here in Trailmark. The Vilano is actually one of my favorite floor plans that Dreamfinders even offers in their neighborhoods, and specifically one of my favorites here in Trailmark. Now, before I show you the 3 Vilanos that are available and what lots they're on, I want to go through, because we just saw this beautifully upgraded model, what is actually included and what are extras that would cost money, say if you want to build your own Vilano on a lot that's available here in Trailmark. So let's go through those real fast and then we'll see those amazing homes with that amazing price. First, we're gonna start off strong saying actually the wooden stairs. This is not a standard upgrade, but in those 3 homes that I'm gonna show you guys later, that is included. They actually already spec'd them out so that when I say spec, what I'm saying is they've already been pre-designed. They're ready to go. They can close in about 30 to 45 days, honestly sooner depending on your pre-qualification, but the stairs are an upgrade to build, but are given in the 3 that are available. You like these floors? They're also an upgrade. So this is actually the wood look tile that they have available for an upgrade, but are not in those 3 homes that I'm gonna be showing you shortly. They have LVP, which is honestly great if you have kids, dogs, all that fun stuff. Durability wise, 10 out of 10. But this wood look tile, stunning. You like it, right? If you're honestly gonna ask me about this one, I don't even know. It's not included. This is an upgrade. Upgrade. Turn up the heat, turn up your budget. Now let's move on to the kitchen area. So over here, we are going to have our microwave and then our oven. So that is gonna come standard with the 3, but not always standard with the actual build. So make sure you're looking at that. And a lot of people do typically upgrade to either the convection oven or having a double oven right here, because it kind of takes up the stackable area over here. Another upgrade that you're gonna see, I'm sure, is right over here with these cabinets. These cabinets are upgraded cabinets. So keep that in mind when you're looking at the shiny and the pretty and model homes. Most likely they have used their best of the best in their cabinetry. So, but the other ones that we are seeing, the 3 that have this amazing price, they do have actually very nice cabinetry and also quartz countertops. That is going to be coming with all of them as well, because thankfully when they're building the specs, they understand this is what buyers want to see inside their home are these quartz countertops, because that is what's new and that is what's going in trending. Another upgrade in this model home that may catch your eye is definitely this wonderful gas top. Now, Trailmark is a gas community, so you do have that benefit, and a lot of the new construction master plan communities are. So you may actually very well be getting this gas. Oh, Jesus. No real estate agents were harmed at the making of this video. But yes, so you're gonna have the 5 starter right here, which some of the standard ones may come 4, and then this beautiful hood everyone absolutely loves. The wives walk in, they're like, oh my gosh, it's my dream. We know it's my dream too. This is absolutely stunning, and also upgrade, because again, you wanna heat things up, heat up your budget. Of course, no one dreams about washing dishes, but if you did, you'd want this porcelain sink. You know why? Because that's an upgrade. It's not included in those 3 homes that I'm wanting to tell you about, but it is a really good upgrade if you are thinking about building a Vilano. I mean, it's stunning. I mean, it's just a waterfall effect. It's really beautiful. I really love it. I would wash dishes in the sink. And my husband would laugh because I don't wash dishes. We taught our 11-year-old to do it, so I don't have to do it. These cabinets. This is available, but honestly, it's at the end of the day, with the purchase price, you can get a handyman doing it a little bit more affordable for you, and it's not available in those 3 homes that I'm gonna show you. Man, I'm like really edging you guys to the edge on these 3 homes. I hope I keep up the hype. Well, I hope this one brightens your day, because actually blinds are included with Dreamfinders and also are included with those 3 homes that I'm gonna tell you about. So typically fridges aren't included, but neither are Coke Zeros. But with these 3 that are available, that is a negotiation power that you have where we can ask for a fridge, and some of them already have one ready for you. Another thing that you'll find in the model home that you will not find in one of their homes is gonna be laundry. That's not included. Are we honestly even still doing laundry nowadays? I know a great person who will do it for you. Can you see this next upgrade? This huge shower is actually included. It comes automatically. If you want a tub, figure out where it's gonna go. Not in here. This next transition is brought to you by definitely 100% an upgrade and not available in the next 3. You wanna see it? Not included. Hope you enjoyed that. Unless you build, then you could really enjoy it in person. Now's the moment you've all been waiting for, which is finally to see this killer deal. Was I bluffing? Was I not? Is there actually 3 Vilanos available in Trailmark for a really great price? Actually, yes. So typically these floor plans go for the mid 500s. What if I told you I can get you 3 options under 500? Now, prices may vary based on time frames, but currently, right now in Trailmark, there is an opportunity to get a Vilano 3 times under $500,000. And right now, in March of 2025, they are offering an incentive where you can have a 2.99 interest rate your first year, 3.99 your second year, and locked at 4.99. In case you guys are not familiar with what's going on with interest rates, you won't find that anywhere else. You will not find that anywhere else. I just felt like that should be repeated. But finally, the moment you've been waiting for, let's go check out where exactly these homes are located in Trailmark, what they look like, and what home site they're actually sitting on so you can see your beautiful backyard view. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, or possibly skipped completely the entire video I just worked on to get to. But this is one of the Vilanos that is currently available and is move-in ready. So if you're looking to make sure you can get in before the summer so you could start enjoying all these amazing amenities that I'm gonna do a quick little turnabout so you guys can see at the very end of this video, because I wanna keep you on here as long as possible, for $499,000. Now, this also has that incentive that I told you guys about with the interest rate buy down. They also have $10,000 of closing costs, which I'm probably gonna negotiate more. We're gonna do a whole entire video about how much money I've actually saved people in new construction, because it's wild how the builder will say, hey, this is our bottom line. And I'm like, that's cute. Here's mine. One of the best features of Trailmark, honestly, is the taste of nature you get while still having amazing amenities and a beautiful home. Well, this home on lot 98 will be able to provide both. It mixes home with nature to be able to have this beautiful home, your master bedroom, overlook the preserve, which is protected, by the way, so it will not be touched, not like another house is gonna go going up behind you. This will give you your peace and serenity that you're honestly looking for, because it's always nice to have the amenities. It's nice to be in the master plan communities, be close to the beach, but honestly, we still want a little bit of our own privacy. And this backyard gives you the privacy that you're wanting for the backyard landscape of your dreams that you can create all on your own. Now, this is lot 100. This is one of the 3 that is also available right now, and I will be completely transparent and honest. I'm about to make an offer on this with one of my clients. Now, to be completely honest, we already do know what this floor plan looks like, so let's look at what really matters, which is that backyard I was talking about. Come on. Here we are again on a beautiful preserve lot. So 2 out of the 3 are on preserve and back up to this private oasis that you get to look at, whether you're in the living room, in the dining room, or in your master bedroom. This is the beautiful view that you get to view every morning. I grew up with these views, so like I respect these and love these so much. But it's always a different buyer. Either a buyer loves a pond view to let light into the house, or they like the privacy of a preserve view, or they like to high-five their neighbor during barbecue nights and they like to be backed up right next to one. You never know. We are finally at the final Vilano that is available under $500,000 with that amazing incentive I told you guys about with the low interest rates. And that's the one right behind me. Has a different view that if you like preserve and you also like pond and you also like power lines, this may be your perfect home. Now, probably one of the best features about this property is that you have no one to the left of you, like I mentioned. So you have all this privacy because of the JEA running right through it. There's no one gonna be right here. And also, for reference, those homes that we just saw are right behind us. So they'll have no one that they're facing, which is gonna have max privacy. And also then your kids can play outside. They can have a good time. It's gonna be grassed over there, hang out over there. It's also right near a cul-de-sac, so no one randomly should be driving down this road for you. But if you have any questions about these 3 lots or are interested in making an offer, let's talk, because I can negotiate even a better one. Looking for more content on St. Johns County, what it's like living here, and honestly another reason to live here? Like and subscribe. Did you subscribe?